Hello friends, welcome to our channel pythonji. So, I'm your host Soumya and in today's video we are going to create Windows logo using Python Turtle. So, without wasting our time, let's start. Go to search and search for ideally Python 3.11 64-bit. Open this app. Then ideally shell 3.110 is open. Go to File and select New File or press Ctrl+N. An untitled file is open. Write your code here to draw Windows logo. So this is our code. From Turtle, import star, speed, then background, then pen up, then go to. Write these codes in a sequence. Then save the file. Go to File and then select Save, or you can simply press Ctrl+S. Then give a file name. Press Enter. Now your file is saved. Then go to Run. Without saving a file, you can't run a code. So go to Run, press Run, then select Run Module, or you can simply press F5 to run the code. So Python Turtle Graphics is open, and now you can see Windows logos are creating. So this is Windows logo. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow for